In our previous session, we discussed the topic role of HR in developing resource capability. And today we are going to go further with a new topic, which is action planning in HRM. Let us start with a scenario. Before we start, let us explore this new scenario wherein you are going to imagine a part of an HRM team. You are a crucial part of that specific HR team in a growing organization. During a strategy meeting, the management highlights the urgent need to recruit skilled professionals to support a new project. One team member suggests starting with identifying the specific roles required and understanding the organization's future goals. Another colleague proposes developing a robust hiring strategy, including where to find talent and how to assess candidates effectively. Meanwhile, the HR head emphasizes the importance of aligning the recruitment process and HR practices with the organization's long-term objectives to ensure consistency and growth. So here's a question. How would you identify recruitment needs, formulate hiring strategies, and ensure HR practices align with the organization's goal? What practical steps would you include in this process? Understanding the concepts in depth is essential to exploring the answer. So let us proceed with the topic's learning objectives. By the end of this topic, you should be able to identify recruitment needs. You should be able to explain steps in formulating hiring strategies. You should be able to discuss steps to align HR practices with organizational goals. Action planning is a crucial aspect of human resource management (HRM) that ensures an organization's workforce is well prepared to meet its strategic goals. It involves a series of steps aimed at identifying and addressing workforce needs, formulating hiring strategies, and aligning HR practices with the organization's overall objectives. First, let us understand identifying recruitment needs. Identifying recruitment needs is the first step in the action planning process. It involves determining the type of talent the organization requires to meet its strategic objectives, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the right skills and experience. This step is vital as it sets the foundation for the entire hiring process. The steps to identify recruitment needs are: assessing current workforce skills, understanding organizational goals, anticipating future needs, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Let us understand each in detail. Assessing current workforce skills. Begin by evaluating the current skill set and capabilities of the existing workforce. This involves conducting performance reviews, skills audits, and gap analysis to identify areas where the company may lack expertise or capacity. For example, a marketing company may find that its team is skilled in traditional marketing techniques but lacks experience in digital marketing. This indicates a recruitment need for a digital marketing specialist. Understanding organizational goals. Align recruitment needs with the organization's long-term goals. If the company is expanding into new markets or launching new products, there may be a need to hire professionals with specialized knowledge or experience in those areas. Example: if a tech firm is planning to release a new software product, it may need to recruit software developers, product managers, and marketing specialists to support the launch. Anticipating future needs. HR professionals should focus not only on immediate needs but also on future staffing requirements. These needs may be influenced by factors such as business expansion, technological advancements, or employee retirements. For example, a growing logistics company might anticipate increased demand for drivers and warehouse staff as it expands its distribution network. Early recruitment planning ensures sufficient talent is available when needed. Legal and regulatory requirements. Ensure the recruitment process complies with all relevant labor laws and industry regulations such as equal employment opportunity laws. Example: a healthcare organization must verify that all medical staff meet the legally required qualifications and certifications, which must be considered in the recruitment process. Now, let us know the importance of identifying recruitment needs. Identifying recruitment needs ensures that the right skills are brought into the organization at the right time, preventing skill shortages or underutilized staff. This proactive approach also reduces the risk of making rushed hiring decisions, which can lead to poor fit or high turnover. Next, let us discuss formulating hiring strategies. Once recruitment needs are identified, the next step in action planning is formulating effective hiring strategy. This process involves determining how to attract the right candidates, deciding on the most suitable recruitment methods, and ensuring that the recruitment process aligns with the organization's culture and values. Steps in formulating hiring strategies are: choosing the right recruitment channels, building employer branding, developing a structured interview process, leveraging technology. Let us understand each step in detail. Choosing the right recruitment channels. Different recruitment channels suit different types of roles. HR managers must choose whether to use internal job postings, employee referrals, online job portals, recruitment agencies, or campus recruitment depending on the role's level and required skill set. Example: for high-level managerial roles, companies may prefer executive search firms, whereas for entry-level positions, they may use job boards or social media platforms such as LinkedIn. Employer branding. A strong employer brand can help attract top talent. Companies that are seen as great places to work have a competitive edge in the recruitment process. HR departments should work to enhance their organization's reputation as an employer of choice through public relations, employee testimonials, and showcasing company culture. Example: Google is renowned for its employee-friendly work culture and innovative environment, making it a highly attractive employer. Other organizations may create similar branding strategies by highlighting their unique benefits, such as flexible working hours or career development opportunities. Now, let us discuss developing a structured interview process. Standardizing the interview process ensures consistency and fairness in the selection process. HR professionals should design structured interview questions that align with the competencies and skills needed for the role. Incorporating multiple stages, such as screening interviews, technical assessments, and cultural fit interviews, can help ensure that the right candidate is selected. Example: a financial institution might implement a multi-stage interview process for its senior management roles, including initial screenings, psychometric tests, and a final interview with senior leadership to assess cultural fit. Leveraging technology. The use of recruitment software and tools can streamline the hiring process. Applicant tracking systems, a TS, can help manage applications, track candidate progress, and improve the efficiency of the recruitment process. Example: large companies often use a TS to handle a high volume of applications for positions. This system helps HR teams filter resumes, schedule interviews, and manage candidate communications. Importance of formulating hiring strategies. Effective hiring strategies help ensure the recruitment process is efficient, objective, and aligned with organizational goals. By selecting the right candidates through structured strategies, companies can improve retention rates and employee satisfaction, leading to better overall performance. Next, let us discuss about aligning organizational goals. Aligning HR practices, including recruitment and hiring strategies, with organizational goals is essential for ensuring that the company's human capital directly supports its strategic objectives. This step ensures that HR efforts are not just reactive, but are actively contributing to the success of the business. Steps to align HR practices with organizational goals. Understanding the business strategy. HR professionals need to have a thorough understanding of the organization's overall business strategy. Whether the company is focusing on expansion, innovation, or cost reduction, HR should align its recruitment and hiring efforts to support these objectives. Example, if a company is planning to launch a new product line, HR might prioritize hiring individuals with experience in product development, marketing, customer service to ensure the success of the launch. Strategic workforce planning. Workforce planning should align with the business strategy, which includes forecasting future talent needs and ensuring the right mix of skills. For instance, if a company is focusing on technology innovation, HR should plan to recruit individuals with strong technological skills and the ability to drive innovation. Example, a manufacturing company focused on automation might need to hire individuals with expertise in robotics and artificial intelligence to align with its technological goals. Performance metrics and accountability. Establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, and aligning them with organizational goals helps ensure that the recruitment process contributes to business success. For example, if the company's goal is to increase market share, HR may focus on hiring highly skilled salespeople or customer service professionals to support this aim. Example, a telecommunications company aiming to increase customer satisfaction might align its recruitment strategy by hiring experienced customer service representatives, which can improve overall service quality, employee development, and retention. Recruiting the right people is only the first step. To align with organizational goals, HR should also focus on employee development and retention strategies. Employees should be given the tools, resources, and opportunities to grow within the organization, ensuring that their skills remain relevant to the company's needs. Example, a company expanding into international markets might offer language courses or cross-cultural training to employees to help them thrive in new geographical regions. Next, let us understand the importance of aligning HR practices with organizational goals. When HR practices are aligned with organizational goals, the entire workforce is more focused, motivated, and engaged. Employees understand how their roles contribute to the bigger picture, leading to higher levels of job satisfaction and productivity. Moreover, alignment ensures that the HR department actively supports and drives business success, rather than functioning as a separate or disconnected entity. Action planning is a dynamic and ongoing process that helps organizations identify recruitment needs, formulate hiring strategies, and align HR practices with organizational goals. By implementing a comprehensive approach to action planning, HR professionals can ensure that the right talent is recruited, developed, and retained to meet the company's objectives. In this topic, you have learned that action planning is a crucial aspect of human resource management that ensures an organization's workforce is well prepared to meet its strategic goals. We've also learned that identifying recruitment needs is the first step in the action planning process. It involves determining the type of talent the organization requires to meet its strategic objectives, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the right skills and experience. We've also learned that formulating effective hiring strategies involves determining how to attract the right candidates, deciding on the most suitable recruitment methods, and of course, ensuring that the recruitment process aligns with the organization's culture and values. We've also learned that aligning HR practices, including recruitment and hiring strategies, with the organizational goal is very essential for ensuring that the company's human capital directly supports its strategic objectives. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.